it's Maddie. Welcome back to my channel. Today is Friday, July 31st. I am starting off a little weekend in my life vlog. I have some fun stuff going on this weekend that I think you guys really enjoy. I wanted to start vlogging today because I'm getting my hair done at 12, so that'll be really fun, getting highlights for the first time in a really long time. And then tomorrow my friend Madison is moving into her apartment in Hoboken, and I'm gonna help her move everything, so it's kind of gonna be like a whole moving vlog weekend. So I'll show you guys her apartment and everything, and it's gonna be super fun. So that's tomorrow. I have about an hour until I have to leave for my hair appointment. I've been on my computer working on a class that I'm taking on Skillshare, and I wanted to actually talk to you guys about Skillshare a little bit because they are sponsoring today's video. If you guys are unfamiliar with Skillshare, they are an online learning platform with thousands of classes in literally any topic that you can think of. Right now I'm taking this productivity class. It's called Real Productivity: How to Build Habits That Last, and it's taught by Thomas Frank, who's also a YouTuber and like creative entrepreneur. So all of his tips have been really relevant and helpful so far for me. Super interesting so far. And Skillshare also has a ton of other classes in different creative areas like graphic design, marketing, photography. Since I just graduated college in May, I've been looking for ways to just continue learning and developing different skills that I'm actually interested in. So Skillshare has been perfect for that. And also what I love about it is you can take every course at your own pace. So you don't have to like make a commitment to log on to a class at a certain time. And you can also connect with other Skillshare members and share notes. It's just a really fun, supportive community of creative people that are just looking to learn new stuff. Skillshare is giving away 2 free months of premium membership to the first 1,000 people that click the link in the description box to help you guys explore creative topics that you are interested in. And then after that, a membership is only about $10 a month. So definitely click the link in the description and take advantage of this offer. So I'm gonna keep working on my class, and then I'm going to head to my hair appointment in a little bit. Just made myself a little tomato, mozzarella, and avocado salad before I head out. Not really the prettiest I've made, but I promise it tastes amazing. I am back from the hair salon 5 hours later. My hair looks so good. I feel like myself again, my blonde self. A lot of you guys ask what I ask for at the hair salon. I don't really ask for anything specific because the girl Charlie that I've been going to for so long just like knows what to do with my hair. But basically we do full highlights. She does foils, and for today we like really focused just on the roots that were really dark and like the front pieces here, and we didn't really touch the ends too much because they were already nice and light, and that way it's like healthier because we didn't dye the ends too much. She does like a glaze so that it's not too yellow, and then also just did like the root shadow thing up here so that the roots are a little natural, so once it starts growing out you don't get that like harsh grow out line. They also gave me a ton of products to take home. Anthony Grubo is the salon I go to, and then they have their whole own line of products. I think you can order online if you guys want to try anything, but we have a shampoo, purple shampoo, conditioner. This is the leave-in protectant I always use before I use heat on my hair. It's so good. Dry shampoo. This is like a leave-in treatment. This stuff is so good for smoothing out like crazy flyaway hairs. Love it. Thank you so much, Charlie. Anthony Grubo Salon. Love ya. So it's already like 5:30. I am getting drinks with a friend later, outdoor dining situation. So I'm going to get ready for that in a little bit. And then tomorrow's the big moving day. Hi guys, before I move on with the rest of the vlog, I just wanted to explain what you're about to see because I was like trying to vlog the whole moving process and it was really busy, and so I kind of forgot to like explain what's actually going on. Basically, Madison is my best friend from home, from high school, and she just graduated from University of Michigan in May and is going to NYU for grad school in the fall studying social work. So she decided that she wanted to live in Hoboken. Their classes are going to be online for the fall as of now, but once they are in person, she decided to live in Hoboken because it's a super easy commute into New York City to NYU. If you guys are unfamiliar with the area, Hoboken is basically on like the far east side of New Jersey, so it's literally just right across the river from Manhattan. You can take the path from Hoboken to New York and it's literally like 10 to 15 minutes into Manhattan. So it's a really quick commute, very like popular area for people that want to work in the city or go to school in the city, and it's nice because it's a little bit more affordable than Manhattan. So she found an apartment. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, and she's going to be living there with a roommate, Hannah, who also went to University of Michigan, and she's been Madison's roommate there since sophomore year of college, and she just so happened to also end up at NYU for grad school, so it worked out really perfectly, and they're gonna be living together. You're about to see Madison and I moved all of her stuff into the apartment in the afternoon on Saturday, and then she also had some of her like big furniture delivered and set up. And then Hannah and her family got to New Jersey from Michigan driving around like 5 p.m. So then they unloaded all their stuff and got their stuff set up and built and everything. And literally the whole apartment is like set up and ready to go within 2 days. So by the end of this vlog, you'll be able to see like the final setup. Yeah, I think that's all I have to say. So enjoy the moving portion of this vlog. Empty apartment tour. Here is the apartment. So kitchen over here, lots of storage. I'm out of breath. Fridge. Then to the right is first bathroom, shower, sink, cabinets, toilet. What's this, a little closet? Oh no, this is washer dryer, very nice. And then what's this, like living room? Where are you gonna put the table? Here? Dining room table, living room, and then to the right, whose room is this? This is Mad's room. It's dark. And then, wow, it's a big closet. Huge closet. Oh, Madison's bathroom. Over here, big mirror. And then she has the little walkout. So this like patio, they just share with one other like family. So that goes out onto the patio. What's this, closet?
I just want to be in here while they are ready.
And then this is Hannah's room. Cute. Little closet. Windows. It's nice and bright, like natural light. Madison got all delivered from Bob's. We love them. So, bed, makeup desk, dresser, and couch. Ta-da. Day 2. Whoop. We're at Target. Masks on. Yeah. Here's an update. Little pictures. Coffee table. Cute little New York bar cart.
Hey, Hannah, how do you want this and where do you want it?
I'll show you.
It looks so good, and that table.
Oh my god, perfect.
It's beyond perfect.
It looks so good.
You can literally get 4 chairs in there.
I know.
Like, it's amazing.
So good, right? And I like
There
the
you go.
color.
Yeah.
$100.
Amazing.
And IKEA, baby.
solids, too. Like,
Oh my god, my feet are like on fire.
yeah. Here's Hannah. Welcome to New Jersey. Her room is so cute. Like this mirror. Where'd you get this mirror?
It's actually my parents from their first house together, so vintage.
Cute.
Wow.
Cute.
From the 90s.
There's the outdoor
Oh
patio
my god,
set.
look at how pretty that is.
Look at that.
Oh, I know. I was super excited about that too.
Here.
Oh, thank you.
We're doing the final little walkthrough. Everything is set up. Hannah's whole family like helped, so they got it done so fast. Let's start from the beginning. Apartment tour. Cute little matching everything. Nice. Did you guys like put stuff away? Oh wow. Oh wow. Fully stocked. Okay. Wow. This is laundry. Kitchen table and chairs are from IKEA. Most of the big furniture that Madison got is from Bob's. The couch, all of her bedroom furniture.
The frames are from IKEA, and the posters.
posters.
Where did they get the posters from for the
I canvas.
I know, that's where I got.
I wall.
All right.
No answer.
Bar cart,
Okay, I'll
New
look
York.
over that.
Shelves, books, and then Hannah's room you guys saw. Okay guys, that is it for this weekend in my life vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. You're definitely gonna be seeing more of Madison and Hannah and their apartment in the vlogs because I'm probably gonna be over there all the time. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Comment down below any video suggestions that you guys have for me. And I think that is all. So love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.